Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about position time graph for accelerated motion. Make sure you watch kinematics part 1 and 2, then go ahead with part 3. First case is positive increasing velocity. So positive velocity means object is moving to the right and increasing velocity means object is speeding up or accelerating. Suppose this car has velocity of 2 meter per second at first second and then 4 meter per second at second second and 6 meter per second at third second. So that means at first second car will travel 2 meter, at second second car will travel 4 meter and at third second car will travel 6 meter. So positions of car would be after first second it would be at 2 and after second second 2 plus 4 it will be at 6. After third second 6 plus 6 it will be at 12. So you can see positions of car is increasing exponentially. It's not constant. So graph would be a curve like this. In last video we talked about position time graph of constant velocity and we got a straight line graph. But here velocity keeps changing, so graph would be a curve like this. It would be shallower at starting points here and then rise up sharply because at starting points velocity is lower and then increases with the time. Let's interpret this position time graph. So first you need to check the position of the graph. You can see graph starts at lower position and then move to the higher position. Like it starts at 2 and then moves to the 12. That shows positive velocity or object is moving to the right. Then check slope of the graph. Let's take a point at the graph and draw a tangent at this point like this. So this tangent is the slope of the graph at this point. The same way draw tangents or slope on the other points. You can see slope is increasing with the time. Here slope is flattened and then it's rising up like this. So that means slope is increasing and so the velocity is increasing because slope of the graph tells the velocity of the object. So velocity is increasing, that means car is speeding up or accelerating. So object has a positive acceleration. Next is positive decreasing velocity. Here positive velocity means object is moving to the right and decreasing velocity means object is slowing down or deaccelerating or have a negative acceleration. Suppose this car has velocity of 6 meter per second at first second, then 4 meter per second at second second and 2 meter per second at third second. So this car will travel 6 meter at first second and then 4 meter at second second and 2 meter at third second. So if it starts from the origin, then positions of the car would be after first second it would be at 6 and after second second 6 plus 4 it would be at 10. Then after third second 10 plus 2 it would be at 12. You can see position of the car decreasing exponentially. So graph would be a curve. On the starting points graph is steeper or rising sharply because velocity is high and then velocity is decreasing, so graph is getting shallower. Let's interpret this graph. So first of all we will check the position of the graph. Graph is starting from the lower position then moves up to higher position. So that shows the positive velocity of the graph or object is moving to the right direction. Then check the slope of the graph. For that we will draw tangent at some points. You can see slope of the graph is getting flat like this. At the end it is almost flat. So that shows slope of the graph is decreasing and also speed of velocity is decreasing, and that means car is slowing down or deaccelerating. So object has a negative acceleration. In the following video, we will discuss position time graph for negative changing velocity. If you have any question, ask your questions in the comment box given below. Don't forget to subscribe for daily updates. Thank you.